Hi there! My name is Teacher Rosme, or you can call me Belle. I've been teaching English for several years. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. I also have a TESOL certificate, or Teaching English as a Second Language certificate. I love teaching students of different ages, skill levels, and students from all walks of life. In my class, I make sure that students learn the English language in a more simple and interesting way. I can motivate students to learn by helping them see that they're improving and by giving them constructive criticisms. During my free time, I love watching funny videos. I feel better when I laugh. It gives me a lot of positive energy. Aside from teaching, I do hosting too. I feel great when I make an event a memorable one by adding a positive energy and excitement to any occasion. And if you're interested to know my teaching strategies, well, stay tuned. First, I always try to develop a very good rapport with my students by creating and using personally relevant class examples. Pronunciation. Like the other ESL teachers, I use the listen and repeat method or the parroting method of teaching specific pronunciation. Grammar. I give talk a high priority in my class to help learners improve their grammar skills by giving corrections and providing examples. Vocabulary. I let students use new words in sentences or conversation. Free talking. I make sure that students can have fun and comfortable experience to build their confidence in expressing themselves in the English language. I am very excited to see you in my class. Let's have fun learning together. See you!